Today is our third day here in Bohol and we are going to go to the beach. We are planning to go to Oceanica Resort for a day tour and then...
I thought we were going to the beach.
Yeah, that's beach. And then we're going to North Zen Villa. So let's see what's gonna happen kasi everyday umuulan dito sa Bohol, no? November ngayon, November 2024, end of November. Araw-araw umuulan and hindi natin ma-predict ang weather. Tapos marami pa kami ititik na mga, anong tawag doon, Dad? Bucket list na pupuntahan namin dito sa Bohol. So hopefully matapos namin until tomorrow. See you later!
That's my dad.
Love. You're pulling on my sanity, it does seem. I need you next to me.
Ganda na muna tayo sa airport.
Get enough. I don't wanna miss your energy. So tell me now you're the
And now we are in Alona. Come on, girl! Okay, syempre, ang essentials natin.
Bring my bag. Saya taruh dah.
Papadami na naman tayo. Don't forget to always pair your meal with JC Organic Barley. And of course, nandito ako ngayon sa paborito kong Jollibee. Pero, SB19 kasi McDonald's. Huwag mo McDo din kami. Paborito ng mga anak ko yun.
Think I've been here before. I know. For you all night. Tell me now you're the one I've been dreaming about for my whole life. Had you on my mind? Oh, hear the sound.
Ay, ito yung dad.
Ha?
Ito yung ano makita natin sa beach.
Parang mura.
Doon sa kabila.
Hear the sound of your voice in a crowd, calling my name. Yeah, you captivate. Oh, you captivate me. You captivate. You captivate me, baby, baby. Ooh, it's almost too much to take. Baby, you captivate me. Ooh, it feels where I wanna stay. Baby, you captivate me. Tell me now you're the one I've been dreaming.
So today, we are in, anong pangalan ito, Dad? Sunshine? Sunside, Bohol. Uy, Moira, no! We're not staying yet. We're going somewhere. Ito yung place. Ayan. 1,400. May tax mga umabot ng 1,800 ata yung. So, iwan lang namin yung gamit namin. Then pupunta na kami sa Oceanica. Ayan. Our last night will be here. Andun yung reception. Iwan lang yung mga gamit sa reception. So we have 4 luggages. big luggages. Ang lakas maka-foreigner ng buhok. Hello, diba? Parang ang kinis ng ating ano.
For my whole life, had you on my mind. Oh, hear the sound of your voice in a crowd, calling my name. Yeah, you captivate. Oh.
Hindi pala natin alam kung ano sasakyan nila, no? Oceanica Resort is very big. Naku, napakadami nila ditong mga recreational activities na siguradong patok sa buong family. You will surely enjoy. Walking away, go to the beach, go to the pool. Let's go. Come here. Yeah, we will swim together. Me too, I will swim. Moira, look at the beach. Kita niyo ba yung clouds, guys? Medyo gloomy talaga ng mga panahon na yan. But of course, for me and my family, we have to put on kind sunscreen. So this is the other part of the South Palms, or what we call Oceanica ngayon, dating South Palms. Ayan. Yung beach, andun yung pinagkainan namin. Moira wants to stay in the pool lang. Ang lawak ng shoreline ng Oceanica Resort. Ang dami mong pwedeng puntahan. Malinaw din ang water nila. Napakalinis ng kapaligiran. Pero napansin namin at that time, November 2024 kasi to, ang daming sea urchins. Nakakatakot tumapak nang wala ka talagang sapatos. Pero ayun, naligo pa rin kami. Dun sa safe area lang, yung kita namin na wala talagang mga sea urchins. Hindi na namin na-videohan kasi super enjoy na talaga kami nun.
Hi. Yanis. Pretty naman pala to. Walking normal. Up, stress-free zone.
Hi guys! So we're just leaving Oceanica, or previously known as South Palms. Ayan, ang ganda ng experience. Sulit naman yung 588 pesos per head. Sayang lang at nalugi kami dun sa South Farm na ticket na binili namin kahapon. Hi! We are now in North Zen Villas. Look at that! Bamboo! So now we are going to go to the bamboo walkway, the pretty one that we wanted to see. Looks like Japan, right? We have this bar and restaurant. Whoa, there it is.
Maya, look. Yes.
Picture mo na ako.
Ba't nakailaw?
Bigla. Sarap. Oh, lempo sana. We went back to the hotel where we dropped our luggage earlier. Bale, ngayon pa lang talaga kami mag-check-in. I like the hotel. Very simple lang. Okay naman yung vibe. Sulit na sa 1,800 one night, diba? At sa travel na to namin nalaman na mas mura pala mag-book kapag ka sa Agoda o kaya booking.com, mga ganun. Kaya earlier actually, yung nasa kotse kami nung nagbubook kami. Kasi nung pumunta kami ng reception, mas mahal siya, mga 2,500 per night. Sabi ko, ba't ganun? In-advise din mo kami ng receptionist na, sige sa Agoda na po kayo mag-book. So ayun, very spacious ang kanilang room. There were 3 beds. Very clean and magandang toilet and bath. We slept very well. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up our 3rd day in Bohol.